To create a heavy-duty zipper entry, unroll the first zipper flap, line up the bottom, peel away the paper backing, and press apply the zipper to the plastic sheeting, starting at the top and working your way down. Install the second zipper, roughly doorway width apart. Using our specially designed zipper knife, cut the plastic sheeting and remove the ribbons. Install the flap hooks by poking the sharp tips through the plastic sheeting. Now you can roll the door flap up and hang it in place to allow for easy access when moving tools, equipment, or materials in or out of the job site. When you're ready to get back to work, simply drop the flap down and zip it closed.